All right, how is everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Luoyme, or is it Luoyme? I don't know, these names are ridiculous. The Luoyme Truly Wireless Stereo Earbuds with hooks. We're going to do my fit and sound demo of these today. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do three things in this video here today. I'm going to put on the earbuds. I'm going to demo for you guys and gals how they may potentially look in your ears and on your head. If your ear structure and head is similar shape to mine, then you should get a general idea of how they may potentially look on your head. And then we're going to do two audio tests. We're going to do one test for leakage, and then I'm going to try and give you guys a crisp, clear sound sample. All right, a little bit of housekeeping before we jump in. This video here today is being recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second, and we are using my lapel clip-on microphone to record the audio. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video and audio quality down below in the comments. And as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. All right? Okay. Quick housekeeping done. Now let's go ahead and dive in. Now I have already connected up the earbuds to my Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, so you can see it right there. It's connected up via Bluetooth right there, and I have maxed out the volume already, so you can see the volume is maxed right here. And now let's go ahead and drop the earbuds in my ears. So you can see these are the all black model here, as you can see right there, with a multi-touch function button here and the volume up and down rockers right there. Let me drop these in my ears real quick. Alright, so this is the left earbud. So all you gotta do to put it in is line it up with your ears, push it in till it's snug, take the ear hook, hook it behind your ears, and make sure it conforms to the shape of your ears just like that. So this is the left earbud. Let me show you real quick. Turn this way. Right there. Now, I do apologize because black is a little bit more difficult to show up on camera, but this is how it will potentially look. Okay, that's the left. Now, let's go ahead and do the same thing for the right. So just showing you one more time. Here's a close-up of the earbuds real fast. Having some focusing issues here today, but that's what they look like. And let's drop this in. Again, repeat the same steps. So line it up with your ears. Take the ear hooks, hook it behind your ears, then make sure it's nice and snug. Make sure you get that real tight seal. And that is one thing that I don't like about these earbuds is with extended listening sessions, they do get quite uncomfortable. So these would be a type of earbuds that I primarily use for workouts because they do a great job for workouts with the ear hooks. Even with my most strenuous of workouts, they're definitely not going to fall out of my ears. So you can see if I turn this way, you can see what the right earbud looks like right here. Not bad at all. Okay? Alright, so that concludes the fit and sound demo test. And as I said before, I primarily do a lot of street walking or running. So what I would do is I'd take one side out, whatever side is going to be facing the street, hook that on my shirt here, and then I'd have one side in so I could still hear whatever I want to listen to, whether it be a podcast, whether it be some of my favorite music from some of my favorite artists, so on and so forth. So this is how I would potentially use them. So you can see if I hold my shirt up, I got one hook to the front of my shirt here, and I got the other one in my ears. All right. So now what I want to do for y'all is I want to go ahead and do a leakage test. So let's drop this one back in my ears. And let's start these sound tests. So here we go. Let's push play now. And y'all let me know if y'all can hear anything. Let me restart that. This way y'all can hear the drop if you can hear it. Here we go. I'm going to be quiet. Okay. Okay, so there you guys and gals have it with the first test. Real quick leakage test. Now, let me let y'all know my thoughts. So in terms of volume and clarity, these earbuds are really good, but the bass itself is severely lacking. But other than that, there is no distortion on the low or high ends, and there's nice separation for the instruments. So really good overall sound quality. It's just lacking in the bass department. All right, good stuff there. Now let me hold them up to the mic so y'all can get a nice crisp audio sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. So here we go. Let me start the music again. And let's hold them up to the mic now. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all 10 more seconds. All right, that should do it. Okay, let's stop the music. Alright, so there you guys and gals have it. A real quick fit and sound demo test of the Luoyme truly wireless stereo earbuds. As I said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We out of here.
Perfect.